Alright guys, welcome back after that short break. Let us quickly look at another example. Okay, so here at question number 2, I indicated the following. Samantha is a first-year university student. She has become really interested in photography and needs to buy a digital camera. She finds the following deals. Okay, so here we have the deal. Store A offers her the following. A quick snap digital camera advertised at a cash price of 1,999 Rand. The hire purchase agreement is a deposit of 8% with 18 monthly payments or installments of 115 Rand. Then, on the other hand, we have Store B that offers the following deal. A Photo Plus camera is advertised at 1,999 Rand and 99 cents. The hire purchase agreement is without a deposit with 24 monthly payments of 110 Rand. So there we have the two deals that's been offered to Samantha. See what is needed for us to do. So here the question indicates, determine, showing all calculations, which store Samantha must buy the camera from. Motivate your answer. So here I've decided let's work with the two stores separately. So let's start with store A, right? So here, a quick snap digital camera is advertised for 1,199 Rand. The hire purchase agreement is a deposit of 8%. So there's our deposit, 8%. Then we also have the amount should you pay cash. Then we have 18 monthly repayments of 115 Rand. Okay, so let's quickly start by first of all determining the deposit. So therefore I'll indicate the deposit. So we indicated that the deposit is 8% of the cash price of 1,999 Rand. So that's first of all what she needs to pay, right? So let's type that in. 8% of 1,199 Rand. So that will give us a deposit of 159 Rand and 92 cents. Right, so that's the deposit that she needs to pay. But what else is important here? It also indicates that the hire purchase agreement also would like 18 monthly payments of 115 Rand. So here, let me go to the monthly payments. And I'm going to indicate it like this, monthly payments. And we know the monthly payments is 115 Rand per month multiplied by 18 months. So let's key that in. 115 multiplied by 18 months. So that will give us a total of 2,070 Rand. Okay, but remember, we would like to know the total she needs to pay. So therefore, I'll take the deposit, 159 Rand and 92 cents, plus all the monthly installments, the 18 of them, right, of 2,070 Rand. Let's add the two amounts together. So 159 Rand 92 cents plus your 2,070 Rand. So in this case, should she decide to buy from store A, the total amount will be 2,229 Rand and 92 cents. Guys, I hope that's clear to all of you. I basically took and I calculated the deposit. Thereafter, I calculated the monthly payments of 115 Rand each for a period of 18 months. And then I added the deposit of 159 Rand 92 cents plus the 18 monthly installments that amounts to 2,070 Rand. And therefore, I got a total of 2,229 Rand and 92 cents. So that is store A. Now let's look at what it will come to when we look at store B. Right, let's quickly run through this. It says a Photo Plus camera is advertised for 1,999 Rand. The hire purchase agreement is without a deposit, right? With 24 monthly repayments of 110 Rand. So first of all to note here, remember no deposit is required here. We agree? That's indicated here. No deposit is required, but there will be 4 monthly payments of 110 Rand. So therefore, I go and I say, okay, the monthly payments, your monthly installment, Let me note that down. Monthly payments. That will come to 110 Rand every month for a period of 24 months. So let's key that in. 110 multiplied by 24. That will give us 2,640 Rand. 2,640 Rand. Now, it's very important that you have to conclude, right? It says, determine by showing all calculations which store Samantha must buy this camera from, and now we have to motivate our answer. Okay, now let's do that final part. If you look, we indicated that store A, and if we go back, we'll see what they used to charge, right? There it is, the 2,229 Rand and 92 cents. That is what store A will charge, right? Now we look at store B. Okay, let's just get there. So I'm going to write that down. Store A will charge you 2,229 Rand and 92 cents. Right, so when we look at store number B, right, let me just get all of that there. So store B, remember I must do a comparison now. Okay, store B, we indicated will charge you 2,640 Rand. So remember now, put yourself in Samantha's shoes here. Which option will you choose? Remember, you are buying a camera. I agree with you. So therefore, Samantha must definitely opt for store number A. Why? Because in the end, she will pay less for this camera. Can you see? Okay, we didn't ask to calculate the difference or the amount of money that she will save, but it's important for you to verify that based on your calculation, looking at the 2,229 Rand 92 cents and the 2,640 Rand, which one will be cheaper? In this case, definitely buying the camera from store A. Guys, I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. Hope to see you next time. Please work every day and stay safe. Until next time.